In this video, we're going to demonstrate the difference between opacity and fill. Here we have the same logo on two different layers. So if we go to fill logo and we drop the opacity to 0, the whole thing vanishes, right? And if we do the same with flow, the whole thing vanishes as well. So you got to ask the question, what is the difference? So we can do the same on the other one. Exactly the same. So they appear to do the exact same, serve the same purpose, you know what I mean? So, but there is a vital difference in this. So what we're going to do with the fill one, we're going to double click it, we're going to add an effect, we're going to add a stroke to it, a layer style. So now we're going to drop the opacity down to this fill logo, and you see what happens here. It's dropped everything down. That's to be expected, you know. But then will the fill do the same and everything disappear? We drop it and look what happens. The effect stays on the layer. It's dropped the opacity of the layer, but it's kept the effect. So that's the biggest difference, really. Thanks for listening, and please subscribe, hit the like button if you want to be notified when there's more of these videos. Peace.